Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany and today I want to share with you guys how I made this talk about a baby backdrop for my sister's baby shower. But first, if you would please hit that subscribe button, also the notification bell, and leave me a comment down below. Also hit that like button if you like this video. I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers this month, so yeah, thank you. So first things first, we need to create the paper flowers for the backdrop. What I'm using is colorful cardstock paper and I picked it up at Michael's. Next, I'm going to freehand draw the flower petals onto the paper and then cut them out. And you're going to repeat this process for 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large, and you need about 8 to 10 flower petals for each size. Next, I'm going to grab 3 petals and my Crayola marker and I'm going to roll back each side of the petal to create some texture for the flower. Next, you flip over the petal and then you're gonna fold it in a little bit, just roll it side to side and try not to crease it as much, but that also helps with texture as well. Next, I'm going to cut and glue the flowers together in the middle. I grabbed a piece of cardboard and I'm going to draw a circle and cut it out, and that is going to be the base for the flower. Now I'm going to add each flower petal onto the flower base. Now I'm going to create the middle section of the flower, and I'm placing 4 small petals together and I'm going to glue each corner. Now I'm going to bend over each side of the flower petal so it's easier to work with, and I'm just going to overlap the petals and glue them together to create a closed bud in the middle. Now just attach that to your flower and voila, you're done. Next, I'm going to cut out the letters for Talk About a Baby on my Cricut machine, and I'm just using this glitter cardstock paper, and I'm going to roll this off of the mat, and I actually did break my mat by rolling it too much, so learn from my mistakes and be a little more gentle, I guess. And this is turning out so cute and I'm getting so excited. So I ordered this wood-like vinyl backdrop on Amazon, and I thought it was so cute and so easier than using actual wood and trying to create a backdrop with wood. And if I could just use this instead, that would be very inexpensive and easier for me. So I picked it up on Amazon and it did come folded. So what I'm trying to do is iron out all the creases with this easy press, and it does actually work, and you can see that the creases were coming out, but I felt like that was going to take a long time, so I wanted to try something else. So here I have my DIY photo backdrop stand, and I also have a video for it, so I'll link that down below. But now I'm going to clip the backdrop onto the stand using these dollar store clips, and I'm going to work my way from the bottom to the top. So now that I have that all set up, I'm going to steam out all the creases, and this steamer actually worked really well, a lot faster than the iron. And there you see my daughter Mila playing around as usual. And here I took a cute little break and was saying hi to Cara, and she's saying hi to you guys. Please subscribe to my mommy's channel. Thank you. Okay, back to work. Okay, so now I'm going to add this Mexican blanket on top, and I'm just using the clips as well, and I'm folding the clips down so you can barely see the clips. And then I tied it on the side with some ribbon, and here I'm going to use Velcro to attach the flowers to the backdrop. So I wanted to cover up the legs, so I grabbed this piece of fabric I had in the garage and I just covered them up, and I thought it looked way cuter with that. So now I'm using Velcro and I'm going to stick the letters onto the blanket, but also if you had some painter's tape, I felt like that worked a lot better because after a few days these actually fell down, but when I used painter's tape, the frog green one to be exact, it actually held a lot better. it guys, and this is how it turned out. I really love this backdrop. It's one of my favorites. Everyone loved it as well at the baby shower. And so yeah, if you guys like this video, please let me know down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so I can try to reach 1,000 subscribers this month. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.